In God's perfect circle, I just my soul. I remember my immortal self and understand my role. I came to earth bearing simple gifts with tales of wonder and woe. I know I lost something special. I left it with you long ago. In God's perfect circle, I accept all loss and gain. I pray for grace beyond my means and listen for the rain. This busyness is transient, feel involved, and all the while my deeds can never be dissolved. In God's perfect circle, the music is the forest moving high, the river song my ears. I came because you called to me. You sang inside my sleep. I promise to remember you. Promise I will always keep. In God's perfect circle, I lay down and closed my eyes. I wandered through this maze like a child without a guide, a blood initiation in the higher laws of pain. In God's perfect circle, I lay